Hi guys, welcome to DU EVS course. Today we are going to learn about the topic biodiversity of India. Basically, this topic is divided into 5 subtopics. First, biodiversity of India. Second, India as a mega biodiversity nation. Third, biogeographic zones of India. Fourth, global biodiversity hotspots. And fifth and the last one is endangered and endemic species of India. Let's know briefly about these subtopics. So, starting with biodiversity of India. Biodiversity means a variety of organisms available in the environment. It refers to variability among plants, animals and microorganism species. India ranks 4th in Asia and 10th in world in plant diversity. Moving on to second subtopic, that is India as a mega biodiversity nation. India is a mega diverse nation which is housing for around 10% of world species. 45,000 species of plants, that is 7% of world total, are in India and about 33% of these are endemic. 6% of world's total, that is 15,000 angiosperm are there and 10% plant species are endangered. There are 400 breeds of sheep, 27 cattle and 22 goats, which represents high livestock biodiversity of India because milk, wool and many things we get only from these. Beside it, 91,000 animal species including 60,000 insects, 1,230 birds, 2,456 fish, 372 mammals, 440 reptiles and 200 amphibians, with largest concentration in Western Ghats and 500 molluscs. These all represents about 6.5% of world's fauna. Now talking about biogeographic zones of India. Biogeographic zones are those geographical areas that are defined based on the species found in them. Here are some biogeographic zones of India like the Trans-Himalaya, the Himalaya, the Indian desert, the semi-arid, the Western Ghats, the Deccan Plateau, the coasts, the Gangetic Plains, Northeast India and islands. Now we are having a map which shows all biogeographic zones of India and the area covered by them. Let's know more about biogeographic zones. Trans-Himalayas. It is an extension of Tibetan Plateau having cold and higher altitudes. The Himalayas. This includes the entire mountain chain from Jammu and Kashmir to Assam. It forms the northern boundaries of India. The Indian desert. It includes salty and sandy deserts of western India. The semi-arid. It is the area between desert and Deccan Plateau. The Western Ghats. These are the mountains that run across western coast of India. The Deccan Plateau. It is a region covered by Deccan Traps. This is geographically south of Narmada River and has 5 provinces: Central Highlands, Chota Nagpur, Eastern Highlands, Central Plateau and Deccan South. The coasts. It includes the coastline of both East and West and Lakshadweep Islands. The Gangetic Plains. This region is covered by the Ganga river system. The states which comes under it are Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Jharkhand. Northeast India. These are non-Himalayan boundary states of Northeast. Islands. It includes islands of Bay of Bengal region including Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now, global biodiversity hotspots. Biodiversity hotspots are a method to identify those regions of world where attention is needed to address biodiversity loss and the need to conserve it. Basically, those species are kept there which are very less in number in the whole world. Most plants are endemic in a biodiversity hotspot, means they are not found anywhere else on earth. Some hotspots of Asia region are Himalayan hotspot, the Eastern Himalayas, Japan biodiversity hotspot, mountains of southwest China and New Caledonia. Let's know about endangered and endemic species of India. So starting with endangered species, these are those animals or plants which exist in very less number, and if not conserved properly, they will extinct. Some endangered species are Asiatic loin, Asiatic black bear, desert cat, great Indian rhinoceros, Indian elephant, and Asian elephant. Now, endemic species. These are those plants or animals that exist in some particular regions and nowhere else in the world. Some endemic species are loin-tailed macaque, Nilgiri langur, brown palm civet, and Nilgiri thar. So these were all about biodiversity of India. I hope this topic is clear to you, and still there is any doubt, any question, feel free to comment, and for more details visit our website hrcharitima.com.